Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a casting which I recently got from a toy show. I don't think I ever had a Corgi casting and they are not manufactured anymore. So I was glad to find this one. This is a Jeep and yeah, I'm gonna open it up and show you guys how does it look. So here's the Jeep out of its box. It's a Jeep CJ-6 and it's made by Corgi, and this is my first Corgi diecast. It's an army Jeep, so it's finished in green, obviously. I highly doubt those come with yellow interior, but this one does. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front, you can see the green bumper. This is the classic Jeep shape. So you can see the round headlamp, 7-slat grille, and round turn indicators. They do look good. Obviously, it's an older casting, so not a lot of details here. You have the star on the hood. Again, this is army design. No mirrors. I don't know if actual Jeeps had mirrors. Maybe they had. I'm just joking. It's obviously without a roof, and you can see it's got the yellow interior with a shovel and a toolbox in there. Just a single seat, nothing else. Not a lot of details on the interior apart from the steering wheel. On the driver's side, you can see the Jeep badge, a logo there. I don't know what this cutout is for. Not sure. It looks really low. I don't know if actual Jeeps are this low, but it looks really low. On the back, you got some good details. You got tail lamp, Jeep badge, a tow hook, and looks like some auxiliary lamps there, and place for number plate, hinges for the tailgate to open, tires and wheels. It's an older casting, so I can't expect a lot, but they still look alright here. On the passenger side, it doesn't have that cutout here, but then there's this shape here. I don't know a lot about these older Jeeps. I haven't seen them that much, and I assume these castings were made in a long back, so you can see there are some rough edges here. And whoever had this one, they stored it for a long time, so and some of the plastic might have gone bad. This is how it looks from the bottom. So you can see it's made in Great Britain, Corgi Jeep CJ-6. You can see the axles there and the drive shaft going from the back. So overall, well, I can't compare it to modern day castings when it comes to detail and stuff, but it's nice to have some of the older castings, and well, it looks good, I guess. Especially for that era. I don't know when it was really manufactured, how old it is. It doesn't say here, but given the creation of the card, I assume it's somewhere into 90s or maybe early 2000. Well, those are my thoughts, and if you have any Corgi casting you would like to share some images or a video, go ahead. You can leave a link in the chat or comment, and if you have a channel you can also leave the link for that. It will be nice to see some of those. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.